Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch Nova, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the WITHINGS Health Mate application, this one. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the WITHINGS Health Mate application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So tap on the settings icon to open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on it you should see your ScanWatch 2 or ScanWatch Nova. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, and we should have an option called Share System Notifications. And here, if you're missing this option, close the settings, open the WITHINGS Health application. Let's wake up the screen on our watch. Tap on the device icon in the top right corner. Here tap on notifications, turn on the notifications for applications, and you should see the pop-up on the screen about the permissions for the notifications. Tap on allow, and now if you go back to the settings, Bluetooth, you find your ScanWatch, tap on the info icon, you will see that the share system notifications appear and it's enabled, and it needs to be enabled for notifications to work. Okay, now go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the WITHINGS Health application on the list, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once it is, we can close the settings, we can reopen the WITHINGS Health application, tap on device icon, tap on notifications, and here you can turn them on. And as you can see, you have the list of applications you can turn on the notifications for. You can basically tap on the switch next to app to enable the notifications for it. And how it works is basically if you turn on the notifications for the application and you receive the notification from that application on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And the list is limited, as you can see, so you might be limited to the amount of notifications you are able to receive. But we're gonna check it if it works with different applications. Okay. And once you're done, you enable the notifications. You can close the app for now. We can try. I'm gonna send myself the message on Discord. There was no Discord on the list, but hopefully it works, even though the Discord wasn't there. So let's try. We got the notification on our iPhone, but we didn't get it on our watch. So I'm gonna open the app and check something. So let's tap on notifications, and it didn't appear on the list. So it looks like it will only work with the apps that are here on this list. So if you want to use something else, it might be not possible according. At least that's how it looks like. We can check all settings here. Yeah, no. Okay, so it only will work with the apps on the list right here, which is a bit sad, but that's how it is. How about we refresh? Yeah, no, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so if you have the apps, any of the apps right here on this list, for example, messages, and you receive the messages, or rather, you receive the notification from the Messages app, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you don't have the app on the list, like I tried to use the Discord, and I won't be able to enable it, you won't be seeing the notifications from Discord on this watch. Okay, and that's how you enable phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.